Good morning, ma'am. This is a report of Group 4, the Asian Integration. Lesson Objective 1. Revisit the history of the ASEAN. Ang ASEAN ay itinatag noong Agosto 8, 1967 upang palaksin ang kooperasyon at pag-unlad sa rehiyon ng Timog Silangang Asya. 2. Explain the Asian Integration. Ang Asian Integration ay isang pag-isa ng mga bansa sa Asia para sa isang mas malakas na komunidad. 3. Discuss the Asian Economic and Socio-Cultural Blueprint. Ang Asia Economic ay naglalayong palakasin ang economic ng rehiyon sa pamamagitan ng operasyon at malayang kalakal. Asian Association of Southeast Asian Nation, a regional corporation in the Southeast Asia. Ang Asia ay isang samahan ng mga bansa sa Timog Silangang Asya para sa kooperasyon at pag-unlad ng bansa. Integration Establishment of formal processes toward collaboration for shared economic and socio-cultural goals. Integration. Ang integration ay ang pag-isa ng mga bagay o sistema upang maging isang buo. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So mauday ni ang nasa sa kuan na topic no. Dili na lang nako siya basahon po, i-explain na lang nako siya diretso. So, Narciso Ramon, a former leader from the Philippines, said that Southeast Asian countries were not working well together. Bawat bansa daw ay nakatutok lang sa sarili nilang goals. Kaya nagkakaroon ng problema at tumaasa na lang sila sa mayayamang bansa. And he believed that ASEAN or a group of Southeast Asian countries para magtulungan sila bilang isang team para mas lumakas sila at mas mapakinabangan ang mga resources nila ng sama-sama. So, before ASEAN was formed, Southeast Asian countries tried other ways to work together. Isa sa mga grupo noon ay ang ASA or Association of Southeast Asia na ginawa noong 1961 ng Thailand, Pilipinas at Malaya. It aimed to help the countries cooperate in culture and economy. Pero hindi ito naging successful kasi hindi nagtitiwala ang ibang bansa sa grupo at iniisip nila na may nakatagong political na agenda. Then, in 1963, Philippine President Diosdado Macapagal started another group called Mapilendo, kasama ang Malaysia, Pilipinas at Indonesia. Ang goal anino was to unite countries with similar Malay roots pero hindi rin ito tumagal dahil tutol ang Indonesia sa pagkabuo ng Malaysia kaya nagkaroon ng problema at nauwi sa conflict. So maulang to akong part sa report no. Thank you po. Next reporter please.
Good morning ma'am. My name is Cathy Lumayas and this is our report. First, the Asian necessary trajectory to take among Southeast Asian of nation. Tanat, 1992, one of the founding fathers, articulated why he needed an organization for cooperation. Ang ASEAN ay isang kilalang intergovernmental na organisasyon ng nag-uugnay sa 10 bansa sa Timog Silangang Asya, Borneo, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Pilipinas, Singapore, Thailand at Vietnam. Itinatag noong 1967 at pamamagitan ng deklarasyon ng Bangkok, ang pangunahing layunin ng ASEAN ay upang itaguyod ang paglago ng ekonomiya, pag-unlad ng lipunan at pag-unlad ng kultura habang pinapanatili ang kapayapaan at katatagan sa rehiyon. The three pillars of Asian cooperation. First, the corporation will repel new colonial powers from stepping in after all colonizers withdrew. Second, it is strategic to work with neighbors with shared interest and identity than with allies from distant lands. Third, harnessing the strength of member states will provide an advantage in dealing with bigger power and in potential conflicts. Raharatman, 1992, proudly described what set Asian apart from its said Asian counterparts. He too compared Asian with the so-called little dragons of Asia is to compare unrelated political species. The little dragons are lone wolves hunting separately. Ang Raharatman usa ka ngalan nga kasagaran gamiton sa mga tawo sa South India ug Lanka. Ang pulong Raharatman nagagikan sa Tamil ug Canada. Ang kultura diin kini mahimong pagpasabot og hari o hari nga may kalabutan sa mga maharlika. The little dragon of Asia, he was referring here were the economics of Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, and Taiwan, which at that time was experiencing fast-paced industrialization, economic growth. Ang little dragon ginagamit aron ipasabot ang paspas nga pagtubo sa ekonomiya sa Vietnam sama sa mga Asian tiger, South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong ug Singapore. Ang Vietnam ay nakasinati og mahinungdanong pag-uswag sa ekonomiya at mayaging mga dekada. And this is all my topic for today. Thank you.
The underlying factors for Asian formation. Number 1. Shared problem and common interest. This is the common challenges and goals among Southeast Asian nations. Next, unity and cooperation. The needs for collaboration to address shared issues. Number 3. Shared aspiration and ideals. Common desires for peace, prosperity, and progress. Number 4. Shared responsibility. Joint accountability for economic and social well-being. Next, number 5. Foreign bases. Temporary and with coherence. Acceptance of foreign military presence under specific conditions and with the agreement of involved nations. Declaration of ASEAN. Establishment of ASEAN. The formal creation of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Next, aims and purpose. The organization objectives and goals. Next, number 3. Strategies and mechanism. Plans and methods to achieve Asian aims. Next, openness for membership. The policy of welcoming new member states. Last, collective respiration. ASEAN acting as a unified voice for its member countries. That's all. Thank you. The Asian Economic Community, ASC, launched in 2008 following the Asian Economic Blueprint. The ASC aims to create a single market and production base across Southeast Asia, fostering free movement of goods, services, investment, and labor. This promotes competition, equitable economic development, supporting SMEs, and integration into global trade networks. However, pre-launch opinions were valid. Some saw increased labor market competition as a challenge, requiring workforce preparedness, while others focused on the needs for higher quality local production to maintain competitiveness within and outside ASEAN. That's all.